How to make empanadas easy. Start with canned biscuit dough or pastry dough. Most brands will work. Roll out the dough into small round shapes. Make them 3 to 5 inches, whatever size you feel comfortable making. Brown 1/2 pounds of meat in a pan for about 6 or 7 minutes or until the pink is completely gone and the meat is cooked through. Add your favorite spices to your meat as it cooks so it absorbs the flavor of the spices. You can use ground beef, ground chicken, ground pork, or a combination of meats. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of the beef mixture to each dough circle. Fold in half and use a fork to seal the edges. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Put the empanadas on a prepared baking sheet and brush each with whisked egg. Bake at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes until golden brown. Serve with guacamole, salad, or eat them alone as a snack. Please like and subscribe so you won't miss future recipes. Thank you for watching.